If your Gmail inbox is overflowing and you want a fast way to clear everything out, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all emails in Gmail on Mac or PC in just a few simple steps. This works right in your browser, so whether you're on a Mac or a Windows computer, the process is basically the same. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're cleaning up the one you actually want to manage. Next, click on Inbox in the left-hand sidebar. This takes you directly to your main list of messages so you can start selecting everything at once. At the top of your email list, you'll see a small checkbox in the upper left corner. Click that checkbox to select the emails currently visible on the page. Now, right after that, Gmail will usually show an option that says Select All Conversations. Click that as well, because this is the key step that lets you select every message in the inbox, not just the ones on the current page. Once all conversations are selected, look for the Delete button, which is the trash icon at the top. Click that trash icon to move all selected emails into the trash folder. Gmail may ask you to confirm depending on your settings, so just proceed if prompted. After that, go to the trash folder in the left menu. This is an important final step because deleting emails from the inbox doesn't permanently remove them until the trash is emptied. Inside trash, click Empty Trash now. Gmail will warn you that this action is permanent, so make sure you really want to delete everything before confirming. Once you click it, all emails in the trash will be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all emails in Gmail on Mac or PC. It's a simple process, but it's a great way to clean up your inbox and start fresh. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.